So when you're steaming it, finally, first of all, are you saying? No, you are not a man. But you can be around us, no issue. So you try to be in the center a little bit. Okay? Are you seeing? Yes. Be in the position you can see. Try to be in the center here. So you're going to be opening a little bit. Then, after some 2 or 3 seconds, then you're going to close a little bit. Then you shall go inside to close, and that will not create any more air bubbles. Okay, so you can close. I hope all of us have seen how it goes, right? So what can we do? So even the design, you have to be slowly in the mixing. Then we can do something. Okay? So I want us to test it. We're starting to test it. Try to test it and tell us what is the test.
You next.
Test. And tell us your experience. Jesse, drink this if you want. What is your experience? What is the experience between plant-based and animal-based? When it comes to the texture?
They are smooth.
Smooth?
Then it's
okay, in the sweetness. What about the sweetness?
this one is sweeter than the other.
This one is sweeter than the other one. What do you think? What makes this one to be more sweeter than the other one?
Because it has natural sugars.
And it's creamier.
Okay. So each one of us is going to be steaming, and we see if you can do it. Who is starting?
Me.
You will start? Yes. Okay. So come this way. We have espresso. Another can be pulling the shots. Each one will be steaming, and they shoot something for you. So very nice steaming. Oh my God! I've let you Mama, come here. I'm gonna make her for a very mama make her for. Second. Where are we? Gasket, right? Group head and shower screen, right? This was tap, no tap. Okay, then temperature gauge or pressure gauge. Then this is drainage tray or drip tray. Drainage tray or drip tray. Okay. So, starting this one. Okay, close. What are you going to give us? Anything you feel like you can do. Just relax. Take it easy and you do something. Okay, let's go. No issues. Swirl fast. Swirl. Enough? It's okay. Just bend the cup. Let's go. Come back. Come back. One more. Come up. Finalize. But there is a little bit of shaking. Baba, practice, we shall call you. Another person? Enjoy oat's milk. Another ones. We're done? We have outlet pipe and inlet pipe. Philip, can you show him the outlet and inlet pipe? Outlet pipe and inlet pipe. In a picture.
Inlet. Yeah.
Use them.
It's me. There are 2 towels. I saw
Come on, Martha. You're done? Good. Philip, can I have that porta filter, Mina? Porta filter?
there is coffee there.
Okay, this is called a porta filter. Porta filter. It has a spout, porta filter handle, and porta filter basket. Porta filter handle, spout, porta filter basket.
One in front of one
You said?
There is one in front of one.
Yes, please. Akuzata. Uende. Adabu yani. Ani adabu. Kanogera kanywa? Can you focus here? You're still in class. You're doing something, isn't it? Can you take this water? You can manage alone?
No.
Can you open the door for me, please?
Okay. Oh my God.
Your code is not safe. You will die. If you die, you die. Philip, you are the next. Mulimu picha men. Tukuwadde akalala. Twagala okuba designer akalungi kasobola okukozesa for video. Wana kano tekatukola na mutindo. Yes, you don't want coffee? Go find them. Try. This is almond milk. But you're not separating your down. It's confusing. My eyes, they are not seeing anything. Baba, revise everything. Now you're going to give them to me afresh. Wanna take a break? What happened?
Sit down. You want to learn.
Ndio mama yangu.
So you want to speed. But you want to manage with your food then now. You want to learn Angola. When you scope it, send us in face.
Can't plug on that. Look one too.
Angola. Ready.
Leaving it behind. You don't know that Amazon is there. I'm telling you, it's there.
Double hunter.
I'm saving you from your 200.